Hello, my lovelies. It is Monday, February 8th, the day after the snowstorm. The current temperature right now is minus 1 degree Celsius, which is about 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Now the wind chill, they say, is about, whoa, sorry about that. I walked into tree branches trying to get over a snowbank. The wind chill today is minus 7. It's not too bad. As you can tell, the sidewalks aren't plowed yet, so once I get up to the next driveway, I am going to walk on the road like everybody else. Now, when I woke up this morning around 6:45 to feed my cat, oh, this has drifted way up to my knees. When I fed him, the snow was still raging. It still looked like it did last night when I did my live stream. All right, folks. We're walking on the street. That is a cardio workout. As you can tell, other people are walking on the street. So what I figured I'm going to do today, it's a short video. I am probably just going to follow my route that I made last night on my live stream. Car just passed me and threw slush on my legs. So it is quite now this house here used to be a convent, and then it turned into a Jesuit monastery.
Where's the mutualism and respect here?
Don't know what his problem was. So there was a winter parking ban in effect for last night. As you can tell, not everybody listened. I am gonna get back up on the sidewalk here for just a second. Obviously, the Catholic Church has cleared away for a little bit. Actually, I don't even know if this building now is still the glebe house for St. Patrick's Catholic Church, or did it get converted into condos? So this is, according to the news, our largest snowstorm of the season. I am just going to be really careful because I got big trucks coming this way. Okay, it's not that big. I think it was a Ford 150. And another one. He's tooting because he knows he's on camera. What a day. So my major fault with the city of Halifax in winter, when it comes to snow removal, is that they will do the streets first, and the sidewalks will probably get done by tomorrow. They do have a full fleet of little bobcats that I think they should have those out as well. But they hire out private contractors to do this. So, days after a storm really sucks for those that have mobility and accessibility issues, because obviously they can't get out. They can't do anything because the sidewalks aren't cleared. Oh, sorry about that wind. I'm at an intersection, so of course I'm gonna pick up on the wind. I'm just waiting. There we go. That was Global News that just walked past or drove past me in their bright blue minivan. See, when I woke up this morning to feed the cat, that was about 6:40, something like that. He wakes me up early, the little turkey. And the snow was just raging like it was last night. And then I snapped a picture, threw it up on Instagram, and I think because I was half asleep, I marked it as the wrong time. And then when the sun started to come up, I took another photo. And just gonna look around, there's no cars coming, good. I put that up on my Instagram and went back to bed and slept. And I slept until 11 o'clock a.m. Actually, I woke up at 11:11, so I made a wish. Because that's what you're supposed to do when the clock is 11:11. Not sure about that, the reasoning behind that, but I always do. So there is quite a bit of meltage. I made that word up, today. The streets are salted, and it's a beautiful, sunny day. I was that crazy fool that went out and live streamed during a snowstorm last night. Man, it was fun. Ooh, I gotta be careful of falling ice. Just saw a big chunk of snowfall. So I'm just gonna basically take the same route that I did yesterday or last night. So I'm going up Portland Place. Ooh, that was icy. This building here, it's called the Anthony. It's all, I think, 1-bedroom and studio / bachelor apartments in there. It's going up on the site of a former carpet warehouse that burned down a couple years ago. And these are original to the neighborhood. Woo! The wind is fighting me with my gimbal. These are all, I believe, are offices now instead of private residences. But they are quite lovely. It would have been fun to live in those back in the day. Okay, I'm climbing a hill. You guys, y'all know the drill. I hate hills. But I'm in winter boots. I'm trudging through snow. My butt better get tight. Well, kind of already is, but I just have to get some of the, a little of the jiggle gone. Oh, of course you're turning. So, these are the original townhomes here. They call it the Maitland Terrace. They are all now different offices. And then we go into the new. And over here is the Seahorse Tavern. They have the basement entrance underneath the Marquee Club and the Local, which is another fine eatery here in the North End. Look, it's a bobcat. What I should do is get across the street for now, so I'm on the proper side of the road. So that's the Marquee. Oh, I see that there's like a shovel that went through on that part of the sidewalk. So it seems like, yeah, the bar basically took a shovel through and made a pathway. I'm just pausing so I can catch my breath. Whew. Oh, that big old snow mound. Nothing coming that way. All right, I have to cross because you always face oncoming traffic when you're a pedestrian. And I don't trust the sidewalks. Granted, this condo has cleared. So right now I'm heading north on Gottagen Street. I call it Gottagen Street. It is a German name. I know that some folks in the city call it Gottagen. Drives me nuts. I don't know why. Sometimes I let stupid things bother me, but I'm working on that. Oh, don't slip. There's ice underneath this. Waffle Love. I went there, but a year ago, 2 years ago, I think, with friends. And I had the savory, the sweet and savory waffle. So it's like this ginormous, huge honkin' waffle. And it came with a chorizo. Came with chorizo sausage, eggs, and a fruit salad, and I couldn't even eat it all. I normally don't walk on this side of the street when I walk Gottagen, but I am today. Gottagen Street, probably within the last 10 to 15 years has seen a resurgence in people moving into the neighborhood, and it's turning into like a trendy place to live. There's Vandal Donuts. They are the competition to my Fortune Donuts that I love. Ooh, the wind is blowing. Ooh. That is just what I had to climb over. It's about a 2-foot snowbank. Waffle Love got their sausages from the Ratineau charcuterie. I have gotten things from there. So there's been a lot of redevelopment, new buildings going up, old buildings getting refaced. A lot of folks in the area say that this has been gentrified, but when you go back to the history of Halifax, Gottagen Street used to be a really popular shopping destination. It was the Spring Garden Road of the North End. There were shops and boutiques, 2 movie theaters, grocery stores, and all of that kind of changed in the 60s. When a lot of development for low-income housing came in. So of course they blamed the low-income families and people that moved into the area and blamed them for crimes that were going on. I just had snow fall on me. At the bus stop theater, that is Sea Dogs. That's Halifax's bathhouse. We have those here. Well, we have one. This is Kennard Street that I'm gonna attempt to cross by climbing over this mound of snow. My legs are getting a workout today. Woo! Almost fell there. So we're going under the scaffolding of the Velo. They're doing the phase 2. It says it was opening in summer of 2020, but we have a pandemic, so some of the construction got halted. Switch hands here. Do-de-do-de-do. We have a YMCA. And it's also an employment works in the front, and the gym is in the back. At least I can say Gottagen Street. It's a little bit more accessibility for sidewalks on this side than Brunswick Street did when I first started my video. Come past some vegan spots, real fake meats, and the Springhouse plant-based butcher shop. I'm a carnivore, but I do like some vegetarian dishes. Good thing she saw me. G Street Pizza. Never had it. So because of the storm, businesses are shut down. So Fortune Donut is closed. Ooh, Valentine's Day is like next weekend. I just realized that, looking at their Valentine's decorations. Not one of my favorite holidays. I mentioned that in the live stream recently. Oh, the Korean grocery store is open. All right. I think I'm going to cut this a little bit shorter because I'm looking at sidewalks, and from here on out they're not plowed and traffic is picking up, and I really don't want to put my life in my hands walking on the road on a major artery for the city. I know it's only a short video. I want to thank you guys. Thank you, my lovelies, for tuning in. Sometimes it's nice to have a short video because I am rather chatty. I see some kids across the way there with some crazy carpets. So I think I know where they're heading. They're going down to the George Dixon Center. It's built on a hill on the site of the former School for the Deaf. And it has a great hill to go coasting and sledding on. Her friend has a toboggan, a traditional wooden toboggan. Not those crappy aluminum ones. Do you remember those? Anyway, I am going to sign off. If you want to support my channel, I do have a link in the description for my PayPal. I am getting close for monetization. I need 355, I think it was, the last I checked, which was last night. So if you want to support my channel and help out, that is so greatly appreciated. I usually try to fire off people emails, or if they're on my Instagram, I fire them off a message thanking them profusely for their assistance. Also, oh, I just had a tickle in my nose. I'm trying to hold back a sneeze here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sign off. If you haven't already, hit that like, subscribe to my channel, click the bell notifications, and let me see, let's go up here for a sec. And hopefully, my lovelies, I will be making more content this week. So thank you for watching. Bye.